Hi you guys. So this is where I come do my readings. This is where I come do my readings. As you can see, the grass is like taller than I am. So my phone is not staying charged from the car. I think I need a new charger. It's always something with this damn phone. But I'm gonna try to do a video. It may have to be tomorrow. But yeah, I need to get to my area. This is what we're working with right now. So, can you guys see that piece of wood back there on the ground from the tree? Pretty cool, huh? It's a very, very, very old park. It was known for bears. Now it's just known for coyotes. So let me get out of here before it gets dark. Talk to you guys later. Bye bye.